Please stand for the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
What is up, Hawks? I'm London Castillo. You're watching Friday HNN. Let's get started. Later today, students will take the DLE exam written on the library. During this time, the library will be closed to non-test takers. If any teachers or students need textbook or technology assistance, please have them see Mrs. Tardif in the front office. All students will return to class at 11:30 a.m. Seniors, mark your calendars because on Thursday, December 5th, LHHS will host a financial aid night in the NPR starting at 6 p.m. A financial aid specialist from Saddleback College will be on campus to help students and their families with a free application to the Federal Student Aid or their California Dream Act application. Please contact your counselor if you have any questions. And the Kids Factory is looking to hire fun, energetic, and responsible staff members for after-school programs at various elementary schools throughout the cities of Mission Viejo and Lake Forest. For more information, just follow the link in the description below or scan the QR code. All right, we're gonna watch the new Minecraft trailer.
Ooh, the Magical Mystery Tour. Oh, I'm being transported to a magical, mysterious place here.
The Beatles. Very cool, very epic and expansive. Awesome scenery.
Okay. I'm pleasantly surprised by those graphics. I didn't think they would be that good. Beatles song? Nice. I don't recognize these actors, should I? Oh, I think I recognize that guy. Aquaman. What was that pink thing?
Oh my god. Oh, pink sheep.
Oh. Run Wild, okay. Looks a little Jumanji-ish, I think, at times there.
They're really capitalizing on the popularity of Barbie here with the costuming on Aquaman.
Okay, Jason Momoa with that haircut. No, that haircut is not good. Oh, Jack Black.
Yeah, who are you?
I'm Steve.
Oh, he's Steve.
I don't know if I would go see this movie, but I can see why people who are interested in Minecraft would like to see this. It's interesting. Not for me, but...
It looks like it's gonna be fun. Oh. Is that a llama or a sheep? Oh. Lots of pigs. It was fun.
Right, now we're sending it off to sports with Matthew.
Thank you, London. Tomorrow, Hannah Norse will run in the CIF Southern Section Finals. The event will take place at Mount San Antonio College in Walnut with races scheduled to begin at 7:59 a.m. We hope to see you there. Also, tomorrow, the boys wrestling team will compete in the Capo Valley Duels at Capo Valley High School with matches scheduled for 9 a.m. The Froshoff baseball team will also compete tomorrow at home, Villa Park. So come on out and get a big hug from Sam Kaminsky. And the boys varsity basketball team will compete in the Santa Ana tournament at Santa Ana High School. We look forward to seeing you there. Now let's send it back to London.
Thank you for watching. Follow us on Instagram at Laguna Hills Film. Go Hawks!